and also this doesn't fit.
And how do we put stuff inside? Can you pokaż, gdzie macie do wstawiać
We
to?
take that off, and these are chunks. So these I will show you how we put it in. We put it in like that, and we put this here, and then this goes on the top, and also I want to make it like that.
Wow, what is it? A shower?
No, a car wash.
Okay, it's a car wash. Okay. What else are you gonna put in there, Maxi? Dźwig? Dźwig? To czekaj, dźwig?
Head.
Good enough for
Big
that.
stinger.
Oh, wow.
A head. And that's, and Wido is going to operate it.
Oh, he's gonna operate it. Okay, what is Ryder?
Here he is, and he sits, and then he puts his hands up, and then Wido sits in his favorite chair, and he's pulled so tight, and then he rushed his motorcycle there with zig, and then it's all cotton wet. Here, Max. Thank you. That's supposed to go here with chill. That's for tiny pieces. That's for big pieces. Mommy, I'll play with that look out here tomorrow.
Okay, you can play it right here. We can play it tomorrow.
But I don't play it. I don't show it to the kids very well. Mommy, that's a really big lookout, and I'm gonna here and Mike with a close together to work. And that goes to the pistolet. Maybe I'll change it. Maybe I will change it. Look, and that pistolet goes here because that's where because it showed me on the picture where it goes, and these, and that will make from these speedy wheels. Oh, I'll make a robot. I know where with a robot. I need a head. Head. And now you need heads. Yeah, but these hands are from, but that robot come from this lookout. You gotta build your own robot. Yes, and look. 2 more heads. One, the last one. Look now what here. And next thing we'll build Captain America.